Good morning from Ooty. So, this is the only day I got up for sunrise, and it was such a beautiful sky. The sunrise was so beautiful. So, in some time, we are leaving for Kerala from Ooty. So the taxi fare from Ooty to Thrissur was 6,000 inclusive of the permit and the tolls. On the way, we stopped for breakfast. I did not eat anything because I had already eaten rice before traveling. I usually eat rice because that's really comforting for my stomach. On the way, we did see this rally, but not sure what was it all about. Our driver said it was like promoting to wear helmets for your safety. The roads were absolutely fine. It was such a comfortable journey. Now for your vehicle permit, do check on the left side because we kind of missed this place and then we had to go ahead and take a U-turn and come back. So do keep your eyes wide open. So it's time to eat something for lunch, and we couldn't really decide on where to stop because we were on the highway. So local guide suggested us uptown, so we had to enter the city a little bit from the highway, and yes, this place was totally worth it. He's so excited with the menu. What else you ordering?
Take one menu from finding the newspaper.
Huh?
It's like finding the newspaper in the morning. So happy.
Fish mango curry is going on.
Fish mango നമ്മൾ തേങ്ങാപ്പാൽ ബേസിലുള്ള കറി തേങ്ങാപ്പാൽ ബേസിലുള്ള ഫിഷ് കറി ആ ഇത് അതിൻ്റെ ഒപ്പം നല്ല അപ്പം കഴിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള കോമ്പിനേഷൻ അപ്പം വെച്ച ഫിഷ് മാംഗോ
റൈസ് വെച്ച് നോക്കത്തില്ല
ഇക്കൂരാണ് മേഡം
He wants to eat everything like on the first day. He's so excited. Look guys, he's wearing the watch I gifted him from Swarovski. This beauty is called Sarja, and if you ever come to Kerala, you need to try Sarja from anywhere. It's amazing. Yummy. Yummy.
Sure, yep.
Drink yeah. It is very tasty, Appa. You want one more straw? How it is, Appa? Drink fast. Huh? You like it? What taste are you getting? I didn't ask. Let him say it. This is tasty, but the original one has a lot of dry fruits, which I'm not getting much of dry fruits in this. The taste of dry fruits, otherwise it's yummy. The service is really slow. The food is taking more than 30 minutes to come. It's not yet come, and we are really hungry. Wait up.
അതെന്തോ
Thank you.
ആണോ പറയുന്നത്
So mom and dad took fish thali, which came with a lot of varieties of veggies, rice, sambar, rasam and fish curry too. I took Kerala parota and beef stew. Parents even ordered for fish in mango curry and fish fry. So the beef stew was specially made for me. It's not on the menu, and trust me, it was amazing. Let's try the paratha and the beef stew. The beef stew is so yum. It's so soft and so tender.
അയ്യോ
Yummy. Oh, I like my beef stew to be like this. I can't eat too spicy, and this is really yum. This is a spicy drink, Nellika Kantari Lemon. But the meals are nice. You like it? Fish is nice. Mummy, you? Yummy. Finally, we reached at our hotel. This is Thrissur Towers, which is at a very nice prime location, and the rooms are quite spacious. And this is Dad's room. Babies, we are in Thrissur, and now we are going to La Rosa, which my mom wants to go from बहुत time से. एक यूट्यूबर की दुकान है ना, जो मम्मी बहुत टाइम से तरस रही है जाने के लिए, तो हम लोग अभी उधर जाने वाले हैं और आपको वहाँ लेके जाने वाले हैं हमारे साथ. So from our hotel we took a rickshaw, and he's taking 50 to go to La Rosa.
In 500 meters, turn right.
Which is on MG Road. So that's where my mom wants to go, next to Baking Corner. This is really nice, but tight at the boobies. This also I like, but no. Picking up this also, it's pretty comfortable. This is all what mom has shopped, and there are 2 kurtas that is being packed. I had to get my eyebrows done because it was nearly like a month or so I had not got it done, and it was like a push, so I ended up at Naturals and got it done. Very nice to know.
Head east on Mahatma Gandhi Road toward Port Al Neem. In 600.
So this is what my mom picked up. How much is this, mummy, for? 1650. 1650. Thank you. What happened?
He wants to take it on the sand and put them in the. Why they're not keeping but your dairy milk?
What is it? He just bought milk powder.
Some powder in one small dabba.
Oh, so you can buy out, no? So what is your issue? You don't tell me exactly what is the issue so that people can understand.
Is this a fridge or what?
Yeah. क्या हुआ?
No dairy whitener for the tea or coffee.
There's no dairy whitener for the tea or coffee. This one? 899. Nice. You like it? Okay, next. All are loose actually. But mom likes like that.
This is 1199.
1199. You like this? Next.
There is some more ads folded in.
Please na baby, show.
That's only jacket and also you're showing all that.
Why? Baby, please show na yaar. Please. Okay. Mine is only 2 simple ones. I already showed it in my while I was changing. Are you showing?
How will I have coffee?
We'll go out now.
In a packet na should be packed.
My mom has a lot of issues, guys. It's not packed.
Lots of issues.
You don't have lots of issues?
No, only that one issue.
Mr. George.
ये गोल रोज कैसे मिल जाए?
I want to touch your hair and there
Won't
again
touch
and again
here.
have to wash. All you have to pay for it is written here. What do you have to
This
pay
is
for?
costly.
Very costly.
Very costly.
Not very close. So babies, now me and mom are planning to eat one of the best beef burgers in Thrissur. So let's go. Quite sleepy and tired. Fatafat, we'll do the needy and come back. And dad's eating in the room only, I guess. I'm not too sure. But we are going. Come baby. Though we are very tired, but it's fun. Now we're going to sleep in some time. It's 7:38ish now, I guess. And then we'll sleep once we are back by 10:30, 11. So guys, we reached Burger Hub, but now we have to find it. As in where it is. Burger Hub. अंदर है? हाँ. Mom is in search for milk powder. We go to Burger Hub. हाँ, it's over here. No, this is Party Hub. I don't know where's Burger Hub. I don't know where it's gonna be. Yeah, I think it's that one over there. So there's Men's Beauty Hub too. So we are going for the jumbo double cheese beef burger. I'm taking a ginger lime and fries. We're going to take a passion fruit mojito too. So we need to make the order out here and then we go to the first floor. From where? Okay, from here. From here we go to the first floor and we get our food out there. If you're dining here, otherwise you can take away also. Here they make the shawarma. Over here you can see. This is on the first floor.
Nobody is there.
So get in. Oh, yeah. Just look at this, guys. 2 beef patty, mayonnaise, cheese, lettuce. Oh my god, this is completely soggy. And fries. Yeah, better eat it fast. Oh, it's so big and so floppy. Too good. There was a toothpick where you remove it. Here.
Heavenly.
हेवनली जन्नत है तो यहाँ hold it I mean should not fall. Yummy no? It's heavy, it's messy, worth it. Can I eat the whole thing?
No. I want one more bite.
Yeah, you can take much more than that, but yes, if I have like a huge appetite, and right now I don't have, I can eat it. Look at my hands.
Wow.
Mummy, how was it?
It was very like going to sleep types.
A food drunk, literally. And now we have to get some parcel, maybe for Dad, not sure. I booked. Food was amazing. I just hope it's amazing for my stomach also, because my stomach is still quite weak. But ये ज़िंदगी पता नहीं मिलेगी दोबारा कि नहीं, क्योंकि पता नहीं लॉकडाउन फिर से आएगी या क्या होने वाला है, तो मुझे खा खा के जीना है. So for Dad we are taking one cheeseburger, regular one, beef, which is for 120. Hey babies, we came back to the hotel, gave Dad the burger, got done with my skincare, got done with charging my mobile, and now it's 9:45. We're all set to sleep. Obviously I'm not going to sleep so fast, but yeah, going into the trance mode. And yeah, today's day was super. We had a blessed and safe journey, and we had good food. The lunch was amazing. It was so tasty. The burger was also very tasty. Everything was very, very nice. So really had an amazing, blessed day. You like the day today, Ami? Huh? So yeah, and tomorrow we have another exciting day. Mom has a parlor appointment at 10. We have to get up for breakfast also, and then at 12:30 or before that we'll be going out somewhere if our plans don't change by tomorrow. And yeah, that's all. So I hope you like the vlog till now. पसंद आई तो like, जो सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है अभी तक तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और जो घंटा है उसको भी क्लिक कीजिए. एंड या पुट योर प्रेशियस कमेंट्स डाउन बिलो, लेट मी रीड देम. बाय.